Hey there, it's that time of year again. Thanksgiving, but for us gluten-free vegans, it can feel more like a battlefield than a feast. Ever been at the dinner table when Uncle Joe insists you just try his famous dinner rolls? Yeah, me too. Navigating Thanksgiving can be tricky. From the turkey centerpiece to the buttery rolls, most traditional dishes are off limits. And explaining why you can't eat them, that's a whole other challenge. Sometimes it feels like no one gets it. A little won't hurt, they say. But we know better. It's hard enough to find gluten-free, vegan-friendly foods, let alone convince everyone that we're not just being picky. But hey, we've got each other, right? And that's why I started this channel, Gluten-Free Vegan Takes, to show you that you're not alone and, more importantly, to share some amazing recipes that will make your Thanksgiving just as festive and delicious. In the coming weeks, I'll be posting a series of videos packed with completely gluten-free and vegan recipes. We're talking appetizers, main courses, sides, and even desserts. Trust me, you won't miss out on any flavor. So if you're tired of feeling left out during the holidays, hit that subscribe button. Let's make this Thanksgiving one to remember. Gluten-free, vegan, and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.